Alright guys, today we are at Lake George for smallmouth buffalo, and there's common carp in here too. And we're going to be using pack bait, and there's a new spot, and if you can hear, the cicadas are crazy. And there's a dock right there, which I already saw a bass there, so I'm going to bass fish while I wait, and we'll see what we get. So if you guys enjoy this video, and please stay tuned. Got him. Did I snag him? Oh my gosh. It's a channel cat. What? Did I just snag this thing? What? How did this even happen? Sorry, little buddy, I wasn't out here to snag fish today. There you go. That is a channel catfish.
Man, we haven't even been here like 4 minutes and the kid's already on the fish. Look at this thing. Catching piglets.
There it goes. Alright guys, I was using a frog and I had a big blow up of a big bass that ate my frog, but I didn't get hooked up. So now I'm seeing cicadas land in the water and there's stuff eating it. So I'm gonna try tying on a cicada and see if I can get the bass. Alright guys, I got a fish. I Texas rigged him.
You did. You definitely Texas rigged him.
He ate cicada though.
Yeah, now I gotta catch another one.
Got him! Alright guys, I forgot to record of course, but got a comment.
That doesn't.
10 pounds.
9.7, take off 3. So 6.6. 6.3. 6.3, 6 pounder. Boom, we got our first carp. Check this thing out, 6 pounds. Although it feels like it's 7 or 8. We're on the carp, folks. We're on the carp, we're on the carp, we're on the carp. Catch it, pigs!
On. Jeez. Oh.
Don't work it too hard.
Oh my gosh. Big. I don't know yet. But it's big. I hope it's a buffalo. Don't tell me this came off. Sorry. Oh. Oh, there he is. Jeez. Nice one. It's a nice one. Bigger than the last one, I think. That's a nice one.
Good sized fish, bro. That was almost a tail kick. 11.7. So
11 minus 3 is 8.
11.10. 11.10.
8.
8.10.
8 pounds, 10 ounce.
Yep. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This time we got the recording of it. 10 pounder. 8 pound, 9 pounder. What do we say? 10. 9.
No.
9. 9.
No,
9,
it's like 8 pounds, 10 ounce.
8 pounds, 10 ounce.
So,
catching piggies. All right, we're gonna get back in the water. That one fisherman. Like and subscribe. Ready?
Yep.
Off it goes.
There it goes. On.
If you're gonna go back and forth, you gotta move back. If you're just gonna go up and down, you can stay right there, okay?
Okay.
Good. Elves are back here in my chair, okay? Alright,
Alright.
Bar right here for the fluff back.
I don't think it's a big fish. Didn't come off, I don't think. It's moving around a lot. Yep.
Okay.
I don't think it's a big one, but... Is he already there?
Yeah, Hey.
No.
Oh,
What was it?
you don't want to know.
What?
You don't want to know.
Stop.
It was a small buffalo.
Are you serious?
I'm serious, yeah. Okay, keep it real. Just real. Keep pressure on it. You got camera on?
Yep.
Okay, stop.
It's fighting like the buffalo. It's fighting like a buffalo.
Okay. No, it's way out there. Way out there. Keep bringing it in.
Wait, I don't know where it is.
Right here. Okay. Yep, I got it.
Buffalo?
Here's a catfish. No, it's carp. I think it's buffalo. Here. Let it play.
No, it's a carp.
I get it. Alright, zero it out.
It's probably like 5 pounds. Oh, bigger than I thought.
Well, 9
minus
3 is 6.
6.
You said 5.
Dad?
Yeah.
Never mind.
Okay.
Thought that was a fish on blue rod.
You're gonna get back in the water.
Oh. Dad, that's a fish on.
No, it's not.
Did you just see it? Yeah, it's on. 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 Hold on, he's getting in quick. I need.
Something wrong with
Is that a buff?
Sorry,
Oh,
that's
a light colored fish. That might be a buff.
Messed up.
Nope, common.
Nope, don't have them yet.
Jeez. Double up. Do I think? Oh, that's a nice carp, dude.
Yeah. Just stop. Stop.
Okay, I guess you didn't go out as hard as you really want to. 12 minus 3
9 pounder?
would be, yeah, 9 pounder.
Okay.
Perfect.
You want to pick them up?
Yeah, wait. I can't pick 2 up though, right?
No, I don't think there's any way.
It'd be an awesome double up photo, but.
Okay, so let's clean out the chair.
Okay.
Okay, you can hold it on top, just, that spine's right there, so there you go. You're good. This is Mr. Spunky.
Oh, shoot. Mr. Spunky's
There you
gonna
go.
be a
Got him?
problem. Yep.
One fisherman doubled up at the end of the day. Look at this, we got 2 carpies. 2 carpos. 2 carp, 19176, something like that. Right at the end of the day as we were getting ready to bow our heads and be sad that we only caught 1 fish. All right,
2 fish.
we're gonna get these back in the water.
3.
That One Fisherman, YouTube, like and subscribe. This kid is out here doing it weekend after weekend. It was 90 some degrees today. Hot, sweaty, bugs. Can you see the bugs? Look at the light. Bugs, 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 bugs. Bugs, people, wildlife. We love it though. Happy Father's Day to everybody out there. This is my early gift on Saturday night. Love my kid, love my family, love my daughter. Oh, doesn't get any better than this. That One Fisherman, catching pigs.
Okay. All right. They're trying to flop. Oh, no.
Here she goes, folks. Okay, go get the other one.
Oh.
Mr. Spunky. I got you, Mr. Spunky. Mr. Spunky. Mr. Spunky. Bang me again.
these gnats. There they go. Jeez.
Right that fish. Right that fish. They're right there.
Don't, no.
Come on.
No, I don't. Maybe. Or it's just swimming towards me. Oh, he's still on. He's still on. He's in the other line.
What?
He's in the other line.
Okay. What about that? You got the camera on, right?
Yeah. It's fighting weird.
Coming. Bring him.
Oh, that's fish. Fish on the other rod.
It's okay, hold on.
Yep, he's still.
Nope. Bryson, we gotta get this
Jeez, that's a big fish on the other one.
I can't get him.
So I'm trying to get him to you. Alright, can I reel the other one in?
You got it. Yeah, it's fine.
Alright. Got him. This is a hog, dude. See this thing take that? It's coming towards me. Please don't tell me it came off. Dude, the takedown on this thing was crazy. Oh, wait, maybe it's a common. I don't know, I can't tell. No, it's a common, it's a common. It's alright, it's alright. Jeez, that thing took it down for its size.
Okay, this is it. Just so you know, this is it.
The one that... Oh.
There's my foot.
11 minus 3 is 8. That's an 8-pounder.
It's saying something, isn't it?
Yep, 2 double ups, guys. That's crazy. Alright, let's see what this weight is.
11 minus 3.
11
8.
minus 3 is 8. Yep, both 8-pounders.
Not one, but 2 double ups. We thought we were going home. You didn't want to go home. I think we're going home now. So I'm wore out. We got 2 8-pounders here, folks, at the same time, trying to pull rods in the water, man. Carp season has officially begun for that one fisherman. We're on them. Now we need to start looking for PRs, but this is a good start. Where are we at?
What do you mean?
What lake?
Oh, we're at Lake George, also known as Loud Thunder Forest Preserve.
Yep, so that's where we're fishing, folks. Big carp. No buffalo, though, yet. That one fisherman catching pigs 2 at a time, 2 at a time. Back in the water, it is what it is. Damage is done.
First carpy, I think that's the biggest going back. Well, they were basically the same size. But there that one goes. That guy was out a little longer, so.
Yep. There he goes.
Yes!
Got camera on?
Yeah, it's on. Oh, no. Nope, it's still on. Swam all the way over here. Oh, it's way out there.
Okay.
This might be a good sized fish, dude. Oh,
Does it come off?
no. Might be a good sized fish, man. Oh, no.
Okay.
Came off, man. Alright, guys, a pretty good day of fishing. We caught 1 little channel catfish, then we caught 2 carp, which is 3. And then we got 2 double ups, which is 7 fish. 6 carp, 1 little channel catfish. Overall, pretty good day. And we did lose one buffalo right at the end, and I just had a pretty good fish on. Came off, we'll never know what it was. But yeah, and size of buffalo, that buffalo got away, but it wasn't the biggest buffalo. It was a target species, but it wasn't a giant buffalo. And that one fish I just hooked into, we'll never know how big that was. I don't remember where we're going to next week. I think it's Evergreen Lake for grass carp. And just like this day, we'll probably catch some commons in the process. And who knows if we'll even catch a grass carp. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and bye.